What's the difference between the Win-D and Win-M shortcuts? I was wondering, in what situation will we see a difference between Win plus D and Win plus M? This thread claims that the former does a show desktop while the latter does a minimize all, but of course there's no difference between those two. Whereas this thread talks about stuff like WM_minimize message. Now I was wondering, what's the real difference between them? Why have two shortcuts that do the same thing?
Minimize all, Win, that is, sends a minimize command to all windows. However, some windows don't support the minimize command, and will thus still be visible. In those cases, Win, show desktop, will get you to the desktop. Note that the windows that don't support minimizing are still there, unminimized, they just become invisible.
Yes. I want to add one more difference between Win plus D and Win plus M. Assume you are currently in some window, and if you will use the key Win plus D, it will take you to the desktop, and then if you will use the same key again, you will be taken back to the previous window where you started. But it is not the case with the Win plus M. Once you use the key Win plus M, it will minimize all open windows, which leaves you the desktop, but if you press the same key again, you will not be taken to those windows. It is my observation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.